Hello,
Hi.
welcome and thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo Conference 2025. Our audience would really glad to know about your experience at Drone
Yes.
Expo and what products you are showcasing today.
Okay.
Let's begin with the first question.
Yeah.
Please introduce about yourself and tell our audience about your company.
Okay. So I am Yogesh Bhosle. I'm working as a senior consultant for drone projects in Jupiter Electric Mobility. Jupiter Electric Mobility is a subsidiary of Jupiter Wagons Limited. It's a BSE listed company located in Hyderabad, located in Kolkata,
Yeah.
and our one of the major product is battery base and EV batteries. So drone batteries is our newest product, and that's why we came here to showcase our newest product. So we knew that industry was struggling a lot with lithium polymer because of its low cycle life, higher temperatures, and bulging issues. So we came up with the better alternative chemistry, which will benefit the industry. So at the moment, we are giving around 40% more number of cycles and higher endurance. With this, the average cost for any end user will be reduced by at least 40%.
Perfect, sir. So which products or solution you are showcasing at Drone Expo today?
Okay. So we are showcasing our GEM Vayu 24,000 mAh batteries. These are 6S batteries.
Okay.
Soon we are going to come with 12S and 14S batteries with BMS. These are perfectly suited solutions for the high payload drones. So at the moment, these are going to serve the existing drone market, but in the future, we'll be coming with more cutting edge solutions with BMS.
Perfect, sir. Durability is the key in the batteries only.
Yes, our specialization is into batteries. So we manufacture batteries for EVs, drones, then for railways, etc.
Perfect, sir. So, sir, in your views, what are your strengths and USB, which keeps you unique from others?
Okay. So coming from the battery background itself, we manufacture industrial battery solutions. So we have 2.5-acre manufacturing facility based out of Bangalore. We have all the infrastructure to build a large-scale production for batteries. We are also backed by a large group. Hence, yes, whatever the scale, whatever the volume, we are capable of manufacturing it.
That's wonderful, sir. So, do you have any message which you want to share with your potential customers, visitors, and individual exploring your booth today?
Yeah. I would suggest that all the drone manufacturers should give a chance to indigenous products and take a time to absorb the indigenization and the industry what bringing in locally manufactured products. Uh, we have faced a lot of troubles with imported batteries. There is no after sale service. So the industry is at the nascent stage. I'll say it's a at infantry stage. Products are still developing. They're getting tested. So I would request all OEMs and industry holders to trust in manufacturers who are trying to build something new
Yes.
and from the ground. So that way, our ecosystem will build in a faster manner.
Perfect, sir. At last, I hope you had a great experience at
Yes.
Drone Expo 25 in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Next year, we are bringing it to Bangalore.
Yeah.
With same aim and more opportunities, would you
Yes.
like to participate again?
Yes, sure. Like we are very surprised with the footfall we had. We almost finished 500 visiting cards, so that's a footfall we got in at least 2.5 days because half day is still remaining. We received like 100. We had 100 plus conversations, meaningful conversations, which will lead to business. So we will definitely would like to see you again in Bangalore.
Perfect, sir. That's really insightful talking to
Thank
you.
you.
Hope to see you next year again.
Yes.
Thank you so much. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you.